I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. You can follow me there. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other auto-related content. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on the user chords, specifically custom user chords, and I'm going to show you some cool stuff along with that as well. So again, subscribe, like, comment down below. Without further delay, let's get into custom user chord presets. All right, so let's take a closer look at user chords inside of the machine here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to enter into chords mode. So I just simply press chords, and then you can see where it says chord right here. And you have harmonizer, chord set, and now user chords. So we can just simply enable it by pressing user chord up here. And then now we can type in whatever numbers that we have. We can use preview up here, but let's get a little bit more creative. So let's just say, for example, we want to say 6, 9, 11, and 14. Let's listen to that so far. Now I want to add one more, so I'm gonna go down an octave to add a little bass to it, and let's hit this one right here, which is 2. Let's do 7. I like the way that sounds there. All right, so let's say for an example, I want to create another chord. So what I want to do is head over to chord number 2. We're going to hit user chord, and let's just do something simple this time. We're going to do, let's say 1, 5, do 8, and 12. Let's hit the preview to take a listen. Sounds good to me. We're gonna back out of user chord, and now I can come over here and I can change the root position. So really cool stuff. So you can even program it into Maschine if you want to. So let's just say, for example, so really cool stuff with the user chords. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you again for tuning in, and we are out.